this is the painting that I'm gonna be showing today how to do. It looks really complicated. You may think it's easy or you may think it's hard, but it's not that hard. You basically black, red, and mix it up together. I'm gonna be showing you step by step how to do this. It's gonna be really fun. This I'm painting basically an idea of the artist that they have, and they try to use color to express it. So this is the same thing that I do. It's pretty easy. I'm gonna go to straightforward how to do it. All right, no further talk. Let's do this.
I was sure that it'll be easier to clear you from my mind.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Bill. In here I talk about art. My goal is to inspire you to be more creative. If you're an artist, then perfect, you're in perfect place. But if you're not an artist, still stick around. I'm gonna be showing you what the artists do when they paint. So next time when you see an art at the store or somewhere, you have a better understanding of what is art in general. Now, all right. So first of all, I'm gonna use a duct tape. Doesn't matter what tape you use, really. And black, how I see it, but just mean the darkness, the toughest time of your life. Green basically, I see it has your talent, the ability for you to solve the problem. So red, it basically means the fight. How I see it is like basically the fight, like horror, like when you struggling in your life, you have to be persistent, not giving up, keep fighting hard. I'm trying to create a line like a door. So basically this is a door that I'm trying to get out of all my struggles. So basically I still paint in black because it's hard to see the door. Hey guys, thank you for making to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I put a lot of work making this video. I would appreciate if you leave a like, subscribe, and I have more of those type of video that's coming up. I really appreciate your support. Thank you very much.